Now let us simplify 6 whole number 1 over 3 minus 2 whole number 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3. Solution. Here, we'll convert the ones that are in mixed fraction into improper fractions. So, we have 6 whole number 1 over 3 minus 2 whole number 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3. This would give us, for this fraction, 3 multiplied by 6 plus 1 over 3 minus, for the other fraction we have 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3. Now 3 multiplied by 6 will give us 18 plus 1 over 3 minus 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6, plus 1, that's 7 over 3 minus 1 over 3. This will then give us, here we have 19 over 3 minus 7 over 3 minus 1 over 3. And then our common denominator is 3. Then we perform the arithmetic subtraction of the numerators. We have 19 minus 7 minus 1. Now, 19 minus 7 would give us, 19 minus 7, that is 12. 12 minus 1, that is 11 over 3. Remember, do not leave your answer as an improper fraction. You have to convert it into mixed fraction. So this would give us 3 in 11, that is 3. Remainder 2. So 2 over 3. So our final answer for 6 whole number 1 over 3 minus 2 whole number 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3 is 3 whole number 2 over 3. Thank you.